Hey y'all, today we're doing a quick and easy Rotel dip. If you're new here, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Let me know what you guys think, and also hit that notification bell for future videos. Alright you guys, so these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using for today's cooking video. Let's get started, okay? So we're going to be using some Slap Y'all Mama seasoning. Y'all see it, okay? Some salt, some Velveeta original cheese, and the Rotel tomato. Also, we're going to be using some ground beef, some black pepper, and that's pretty much it, you guys. That's it. So you guys, I'm not add music in the background, but I will be telling you guys a little bit of what I'm using and how much I'm using, just so you know. Okay, all right, let's get into this video. Hey you guys, make sure you also follow me on Instagram, Miss DIY Queen 904. Yes, follow me. I will be posting everything that I do on there. All my videos and everything I'm posting will be on Instagram, period. And you guys, you're supposed to drain your beef to get the excess grease out. Some of us don't know that, some of us do. But that's what I'm doing right here, getting the excess grease, because if you have too much grease, it'll make your stomach hurt. All right, period. And here I'm adding the cheese and the ingredients to the oil pan. So what I needed to do was add a little bit more cheese. So I did that. I just didn't show it, you guys. I just added like another, the same block of cheese. I just added like the same size and then put that in there and then, because you know, it's Rotel dip, it has to be cheesy, you know, period. If y'all love this, hit that like button. Hit that like button and comment below for your girl, okay? Let me know what you think, period. And here, you guys, is a finished product of the Rotel dip. Yes. And next, I'm going to add some pictures of different angles of my dip for you guys so you could see what it looks like. Isn't it beautiful? It's beautiful. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, hit that notification bell for future videos, and comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your day, y'all.